check this beat out.
Some point the light in there, Dylan, so we can show her to like put it.
You gotta act all scientific, bro.
Do it.
Ronnie has the fastest car ever.
I'm about to take off up in this bit.
What happened to your car?
You
got a little engine trouble?
I can fix that right up, boy.
It's broke.
You ain't got no motor.
My car just blew up. Officer, no.
Yeah, that's what I need to talk to you. Give me some license and registration. Right now.
I have a radio.
That ain't gonna do.
Get up. Get up. What I do wrong?
Legal stuff under the hood. Neighbors complaining and everything.
I didn't
You're
do
under
it.
code 146. And he's tipsy.
Oh, no. I didn't do anything.
You did. Walk a straight line, please. Walk a straight line.
I can't.
Yep, doing this thing in the junkyard. Yeah.
I can take over the world.
How was your day, sir?
Stop. 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 Stop.
In time, the gun begins to take him over. Oh, that picks back. Oh!
The end.